screening new guests, making decisions, managing emergencies, answering questions, and more. You have your own unique way of handling the correspondence with your guests, and we are here to do things your way. Our 24/7 guest communication service is designed to accommodate all your individual needs, requests, and decisions, with a team of highly trained professionals that will follow your procedures and guidelines on any interaction with your guests. So let's dive in and see how it works. When setting up the service, one of our guest communication onboarding specialists will work closely with you to configure all of your preferences, requests, needs, and important information in the system. That way, whenever a new message is received, our communication experts will be able to respond quickly and accurately, just like you or your team would have answered it. Whenever guests reach out, whether it's before, during, or after their stay, the communication expert will use your listing information, images, and set of procedures to provide the right answers, identify any red flags or problematic behavior in advance, and follow through with your rules and regulations. When it comes to booking a new reservation, the communication expert will consult your screening checklist to make sure the guests fit the criteria you set beforehand and can be trusted to stay at your property. If they do, the expert will gather their information and assist them with any further needs throughout the booking process. In addition to composing personal replies for incoming messages, our communication experts also use saved replies that you can customize to fit your style and brand, and will answer as themselves or as members of your team according to your choice. They can also snooze messages and return to them later on whenever a follow-up is required, to ensure the guests got the solution they needed. All the correspondence appears in your unified inbox, so feel free to jump in on the conversation whenever you like, or send an internal note, visible only to you and our team. Our experts are always ready to face a wide variety of incoming messages, and it's up to you to decide how they will handle each type of situation. They will only reach out to you or your team in specific cases you decide upon, or if they are unable to find the required information, in which case the response you provide will be saved for any future need. So put your mind at ease and let our experts handle all of your guest communication. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our help center. Thanks for watching.